Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the WordCraft Hub podcast. I'm Karthik.
And I'm Pooja. We're really happy to have you here with us today.
Pooja, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that many people understand English, but when it's time to speak, they suddenly feel nervous?
Yes, Karthik, that happens with a lot of people. They know the words, they understand English, but when they try to speak, they start doubting themselves.
Exactly. They start thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? But here's the truth. If you want to speak confidently in English, you don't need 100 tricks. You just need one habit.
That's right. And today in this podcast, we're going to talk about that one simple habit that can help you speak English more confidently. Karthik, many people think their English is weak because their grammar isn't perfect.
Yes, and some people believe they need to learn thousands of vocabulary words before they can speak confidently.
But the truth is, that's not the real problem.
Exactly. The real problem is lack of speaking practice. Think about a child learning to speak.
Right. A child doesn't know grammar rules,
And a child definitely doesn't worry about making mistakes.
but they keep speaking again and again.
And slowly they become fluent.
So confidence doesn't come from knowing everything.
Confidence comes from practice. So Pooja, let's finally tell everyone the one habit that can change their confidence.
Yes, the one habit is very simple. Speak to yourself in English every day.
Exactly. This habit is also called self-talk practice.
Instead of waiting for someone to practice with, you become your own speaking partner.
You can talk about your day, your plans, your thoughts.
And when you do this every day, your brain slowly starts thinking in English.
And once you start thinking in English, speaking becomes much easier.
Karthik, can you explain why this habit is so effective?
Of course, there are 3 reasons. First reason, it removes fear. When you speak to yourself, nobody's judging you.
That's true. There's no pressure, no embarrassment.
Second reason, it improves fluency. The more you speak, the faster your brain finds words.
And slowly your sentences become more natural.
Exactly. Third reason, it trains your brain to think in English.
And that's the secret of confident speakers. Now the big question is, how can someone start this habit?
Very simple. Let's share a few easy steps. Step 1. Talk about your daily routine. For example, today I'm going to study. I'm preparing for my work.
Step 2. Describe things around you. For example, the weather is very nice today. I'm sitting in my room.
Step 3. Talk about your thoughts. For example, I want to improve my English. I will practice every day.
And here's another great idea. Record your voice sometimes.
Yes, when you listen to your own voice, you can notice your mistakes and improve faster.
Karthik, I think a small story will help people understand this better.
Great idea. There was a student who was very shy about speaking English. He understood English well, but he never spoke.
Then one day, he started speaking to himself in English every day.
Just 10 minutes daily.
At first, it felt strange.
But after a few weeks, his confidence started growing. One day, he spoke in front of others without fear.
And everyone was surprised. So, remember this. You don't need complicated tricks to speak confidently.
You don't need 100 different techniques.
You just need one powerful habit.
Speak to yourself in English every day.
Even 10 minutes daily can change your confidence.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to the WordCraft Hub for more content about English speaking and personal growth.
Also, tell us in the comments, will you start this habit today?
Thank you for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Audio Jungle.